In this video, we're going to learn how to use the left function. The left function in Excel is a function that will extract text from a text string going from the far left towards the right. Here in my example, I have a column of sales reps and department codes, and I want to go ahead and extract the cities from my department codes. And I notice here that all my cities are abbreviated by the first three letters going from left to right. So I'm going to go ahead and use the left function to extract all the city abbreviations on the left side. I'll start here in cell D6 and I'll put in my function, tab it in. Here I have two arguments. One is text, which would be the cell reference with a text string that I'm trying to extract text from. So that's going to be cell C6, comma, next is numchar. That's the number of characters I want to extract from left to right. So DAL is the 3, so put a 3 here, close it out, push enter, and here we have the left function.